Hello friends, welcome to Electronics for You. In this video, I am going to explain features of microcontroller 8051. So let's get started. Here 8051 has 8-bit processor, or we can say that its ALU, that is arithmetic and logic unit, is of 8-bit. It means that it can process a data which is of 8-bit. Then 8051 is having 4 KB internal ROM, that is on chip ROM, or we can say that program memory or code memory for 8051 is of 4 kilobytes, and it has 128 byte internal RAM. RAM is also known as the data memory. So data memory for 8051 is 128 byte. 8051 also has 4 8-bit IO ports. IO ports are used for the interfacing of the devices with the microcontroller, and we can say that as there are 4 8-bit IO ports, 4 times 8 will be equal to 32 IO lines. Therefore 8051 has 32 IO lines, that is input output lines. 8051 also has two 16-bit timers or counters. Timer and counters are nothing but same thing, only difference will be based on the clock. On chip full duplex UART is also available on 8051. UART, that is nothing but universal asynchronous receiver transmitter, and it is used for the serial communication, means along with the parallel communication. Here in case of IO ports, serial communication is also possible for 8051. It has 5 vector interrupts, which out of which 3 are external interrupt, also known as INT0 and INT1, and 3 internal interrupts, that is timer 0, timer 1 and serial interrupt. If we don't consider reset as the interrupt, and if we consider reset as the interrupt, then total there will be 6 interrupt lines. 8051 is also having on chip clock oscillator. In case of 8051, total 16-bit address bus is there. As it is having 16 address lines, 2 raised to power 16 will be equal to 64 KB, and therefore the addressing capacity for 8051 is 64 KB, and addressing capacity of 64 KB means it can access a memory of 64 KB. The data memory, the memory may be code memory, that is program memory, or data memory, or we can say that the memory can be ROM or RAM. 8051 has two special register. One is 16-bit program counter. The program counter, also popularly known as PC here, it is used to access external program memory, and it is also having a 16-bit data pointer. Data pointer is also known as DPTR here, and DPTR, as the name suggests, it's a data pointer. It will point out the data memory. It will point out data memory, and data memory is nothing but the RAM. So it is also having a 16-bit register which is used for the external RAM access. 8051 is also having 128 user defined flags, and it has 32 general purpose register which are used to store the data, and data, each general purpose register is of 8-bit, and therefore 8-bit data can be stored in these register. 8051, here I am every time saying 8051. Actually 8051 is not a single IC, but it is a family of microcontrollers, and therefore 8051 is having many derivatives, and here we can say that these are the features for some 8051 family members. In case of 8051, I have already covered these features. Here interrupt sources are in total taken as 6, because reset is also considered as one of the interrupt line. Also 8052, that is the later version for 8051, is having this type of expanded features, and 8031, which is do not having the external ROM on it, and two ports are also used for accessing the two ports are used for accessing this, and therefore only two ports will be used for the inputs and output. 8051 family will be covered in my next video, so keep watching. Thank you.